Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi Note 8 2021, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off app notifications on this smartphone. Start by opening Settings. Now you need to scroll down and select Notifications and Control Center. Then click on App Notifications and finally select an app from which you want to disable notifications from, like AliExpress. Now when I click on the switcher next to it, all notifications from this app are now blocked. You can always unlock them by tapping on the same switcher. If you want to, you can always click on an app as well and manage notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!